Hey, Crafty Tae and Van. So today we're in Florida, and we're at our grandma's house right now, and we're about to make some red velvet cupcakes. So let's go. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. Okay, so we are doing our grandma's secret recipe. So first we're gonna do 5 cups of flour. So 1, 2. Count with me, guys. 3. 2 more, guys. 4. Don't forget. Ready, guys? The last number. 5. Got 5. Next step. Yep.
Next, we're gonna do some
I'm gonna do
cocoa
the
butter.
next step. Okay, cocoa butter.
So,
I'm the next step.
because we're doubling the recipe,
I'm the next step. Because we're doubling the recipe.
and we're gonna put this in.
Yep. Which kind?
This one, right?
That big one.
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna do some
cocoa.
Cocoa, yeah.
And just put that in there because we're doing our dry ingredients in another bowl.
Yes.
Next, we're going to do some baking soda.
That's Tay. I'm gonna do baking soda. And what we have down here, if you guys would like to see us coming in.
Yes.
She pours it on in. And this right here is like to shake it all in there so it's going in slow. It needs to go in there slow. Okay, now we gotta put in some salt. There's a lot of salt, and that's gonna be. But there's a lot of whatever it's called. A lot of flour. Yeah. Now we gotta shake it. I did this before on my game. Woo! Making donuts.
Careful. You gotta keep it over this to shake it. So shake it.
See, it's going down, guys. You guys seen that there was a lot. Now it's going all down.
These are about to be so good, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love
Ooh.
cupcakes there.
Delicious, huh?
I did this on my game.
You did what on? Oh, you did make the cake, right?
Oh yeah, and
So
I
you
was
did.
like shaking it.
You're right. You're right. Ooh, mixing time. Look at you. Look. Hey. Ooh, when you put vinegar in it, helps the color hold. Nice. How much vinegar you put in there?
So we need
crazy.
3 teaspoons of vinegar.
3 teaspoons. What
You
you
always
saying?
preheat your oven before
Okay.
you start cooking. We have it on 350.
350.
Yes, we have it on 350 already.
350.
We have 2. We have a top oven and a bottom oven. And because we double or triple the recipe, then we can cook in both of the ovens.
Ooh. Nice.
my clean hand.
You got some clean hands? Yeah.
Our bottom oven
Ooh.
holds 24 cupcakes at one time.
That's a juicy one.
And our top oven it'll hold 12.
Wow.
So that's why we'll be doing 36 cupcakes.
Ooh.
A
It's gonna be
a lot of cupcakes at one time.
yummy, yummy.
We'll do the 24, and then we'll do the 12.
Well, yeah.
You want to taste this?
You want to
You
taste
can
her green?
it and see what it tastes like.
It's gonna taste so good.
I want to be in the bowl.
You want to lick in the bowl?
You got a long piece with a bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you got to put all these.
Taste it.
You got to put all these in the cake thing. Let me taste some. Mmm.
Once you taste your batter, you kind of like know.
If
it's good.
Yeah, once you taste your batter, you want to kind of taste your batter because you'll know if you kind of left something out.
Mm-hmm.
But this is delicious.
It's good. Yeah.
You know this cake is, the cupcake's going to be deep.
Delicious.
Try not to smash it.
All right, y'all putting the, what are these called? Cake what? Cupcake papers thingies?
Yeah, the papers. The cupcake.
Cupcake papers. Nice.
Come on, don't do that.
You have to put them all in there?
Oh, that one was like that.
Oh yeah, that one was jacked up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It doesn't go all the way down,
Oh,
but once the
cupcake liner.
batter
Yeah, you
gets,
put it in your cupcake liner.
once the
Nice.
batter gets into it, it'll go down.
Okay.
If you
Yeah,
guys
we're
are
gonna rinse
wondering if
these
you guys
out.
keep like going down, like in
And
these.
then even when you put that in there, you're going to have to hold your liners because sometimes they move.
Oh,
So you're going to hold your liner.
nice.
Now hold
Ooh,
this
look what y'all got.
and
Ooh.
squeeze it.
Squeeze it. Get your hand from under there.
Right here.
Your hand gotta be from
Right
under
here.
there. That's
Wait.
it's coming out.
You're going to, right here. Move
Move
this
your
hand.
finger.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta squeeze
Squeeze.
that. No, you gotta put your hand back here.
Watch it. Wait. Watch your fingers.
Like that and squeeze.
Okay, right here. Now squeeze.
Let's see.
Whoa!
Yes.
Ooh.
Okay.
Then
That's
she's
easy.
gonna squeeze
on
on
top?
top of yours.
Oh shoot.
Okay.
Alright.
Wait, get it
Move
over
your
it.
hand from underneath.
But you gotta watch what you're doing because you're gonna squeeze. Squeeze it. Put your hand down a little bit lower.
Yeah, you gotta
Yeah. Now squeeze. Squeeze.
Ooh, nice.
Now stop.
So y'all all done? Putting it in there?
And it was really cool how we're using the little
Yeah.
things.
Oh, there it goes. Uh-oh. How long you gotta put it in there?
We're gonna put these in for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. And then you finna do the little one at the top?
Yes.
Nice. Look at that, y'all. Ooh. That's gonna be pretty sweet.
We'll set up.
You have to see that when it comes out.
I'm excited to eat
You
it.
excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited to eat it.
And eat
Yeah.
the cupcake.
Oh, don't y'all have to make the frosting too?
We do, but we're gonna finish doing another batch at the top first.
Oh, okay. Then y'all get to do that yummy frosting. Oh, bowl licking time. How is it? Let me see your tongue. Green tongue. You waiting on yours? You're gonna have a red tongue.
My teeth hurt.
Your teeth hurt.
Uh-huh. Like that.
You finna get a what? You finna have a you never had your teeth come out yet. You might have your first tooth come out.
Tatiana had like
Yeah,
she had like some teeth but we
Yeah, snag a tooth.
Yeah, these are good for, these cupcakes and stuff. That's what I'm like.
That is nice.
Yummy.
Look at those. Those are
Yummy.
juicy ones, y'all. Look how juicy those are. Oh my god, they're gonna be juicy.
Juicy.
Can I get a juicy one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, yo, bowl licking time. Ooh, look at that, y'all. This is the best part of it. Let me see your little sticks. Let me know what it tastes like. What it tastes like?
Good.
It's pretty good. Nice.
10 more minutes.
All right, so we got some that's out. Oh, you did put these in first.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
That's what I'm saying. What time is
Look at how beautiful that came. Look at that. How beautiful that came
I
out.
know. Also,
Oh my gosh, what's your thing? Did that come out beautiful?
Yes.
Wow.
I love that one. I want to eat that one.
Wow, you're gonna have this one. You're gonna have frosting on you. You're gonna see what it look like.
No, I
When
know.
you bite into it, then you get to see it.
Mhm.
Ooh. Uh-oh, the good frosting time. Mom put a little bit of pecans in it. For the ones that want pecans on it, it'll be so delicious with the pecans on it. Tay is decorating it up with the
And we're not
good old
doing too
frosting.
much frosting
Not
because
too much.
some people don't really like frosting.
Right, but this is not really frosting.
Yeah.
This is deliciousness.
But the other
This
ones,
is-
the big ones, are not
She's
going to have any
frosting
frosting on.
Mmm.
She's frosting them now.
Yeah, but it's not like this is what is this frosting like? It's not frosting like on
It's
cake.
cream cheese.
Cream cheese frosting.
Yes.
It's
Oh,
so
it's
delicious.
delicious.
Yeah, it's not that sweet stuff that you get on birthday cake from the store.
And it's just like so sweet.
Mom, why you over here
Because my
like a
mother-in-law,
little kid?
my mother-in-law woke me up and told me there was
Red velvet over here.
cupcakes with frosting.
Yeah.
So I'm just doing.
You
what I'm
ready to get
supposed
you some?
to. Can I get that one?
You
Mm.
can. Oh.
You getting that one? Ooh,
Vanilla
with the
frosting?
pecans on it.
I want to
Ooh.
see when you.
Pecans, sorry.
that one.
Mm.
Is she going to put some of that? Oh, you don't want any frosting?
Yes, there's some already without pecans. Right there.
Okay, then they go get one of the big ones.
Look at that. I want to see that.
Ooh, look at the inside.
Let me see.
Yes. Ooh, that's pretty neat.
I'm excited to try one.
Oh.
Bust yours open. Let's see what's in the
Let's see
inside.
what's in the inside of yours.
Ooh.
Because they're all different.
Yes, they are
Ooh,
different.
split it open. Okay, now let's see.
Ooh.
Mm.
And when she do that, I'm going to try one.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, that's the one you've been waiting on? That's the one with the swirl at the top? Mmm, look at that. Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, look at yours. It's like I got a line across.
Oh wow! Look
Yes.
at that. Cool.
Those are delicious looking.
They're really good.
Really good.
Awesome.
I want no frosting with mine.
I've
No.
been waiting on
Oh, you
this
don't want
for 25 years.
You want the frosting?
Look at mine, you all. There's mom. Let's
Yes.
see how grandma's look.
Mmm. Red and green.
Yes. Deliciousness.
Mmm.
Mm. Deliciousness. Oh. Lady said she want her some. She got her little piece real quick.
She did. This is good.
That deliciousness.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching us make these cool red velvet cupcakes. It was so much fun. And my grandma makes the best cupcakes and especially the best frosting.
There's green and red. That is perfect.
Yeah, next time we might do some other kind of colors. So like and subscribe. Bye, Crafty Tae and Van. Peace. Cupcakes.